Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, September 6th, 2018. The U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, earlier today, I thought this was going to be a turnaround day for us. We had some really good positions on, looked really good. And then everything went sour the last half of the trading day. And we end up with another rotten day. That's the best I can describe it. We only had two positions coming into today, but we closed those out with negative 2,500. No big loss, but that's not the good way to start the day. We got into, I think, about 8 or 9 new positions, and those didn't go good either, and we ended up negative $4,000 in open trade on those. You can see here with the Dow, just zigzagging around, can't decide what it's going to do. It started out positive, went negative, and came back up and sold off a little at the end. It still ended up 21 points. So nothing is happening there of great significance, but our equity is slipping, unfortunately. I'll show you the thing that was the biggest disappointment today for us. This is Arrowhead Pharmaceuticals, ARWR. It had this humongous gap this morning, and we bought it up here. I mean, that's really buying high, believe me. At this point where we're buying it, this stock is up almost 50%, maybe 40% or so. But we bought it, and it kept going, and we're in with 4,000 shares, and when it gets up here, it's up a couple bucks, and we are up almost $8,000 up here. And at that point, I think our total open trade equity was over almost $10,000. So that's when it looked really good to me, 2 hours into the day. But anything that gets up this high, there's going to be some selling pressure on there, and it came in with Arrowhead Pharmaceuticals, and you can see it tailed off here. This is hardly a sell-off, but it was enough for us to take us from positive 8,000 to negative 3,500, and so we're still in there. So that's a $13,000 swing there, and that's where our positive equity went today, unfortunately. I got one good stock to show you. I'll just show it to you. This wasn't enough to make our day, but this was in MongoDB Incorporated, and this thing popped up today. We bought the pop, and it kind of leveled off here, and then it moved higher as the day went on, and we're holding positive $3,000 in MongoDB. Anyway, Trader Bob isn't particularly happy tonight, but I will be back here tomorrow on Friday as usual. You guys have a nice night.